Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. The aim of secondary education is to make the learner fit for entry into higher education by flourishing their latent talent and prospect with a view to building the nation with the spirit of the language movement and the liberation war to make the learner skilled and competent citizen of the country based on the economic, social, cultural and environmental setting is also an important issue of secondary education. The textbook of the secondary level have been written and compiled according to the revised curriculum in accordance with the aim and objective of national education policy. Content and presentation of the textbook have been selected according to the moral and humanistic values of the Bengali tradition and culture and the spirit of liberation war ensure equal dignity for all irrespective of caste and creed of different religion and sex. The present government is committed to ensure the successful implementation of revision. Honorable Prime Minister, Government of the People Republic of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina expressed her firm determination to make the cultural and country free of illiteracy and respective the concerned authority to give free textbook to every student of the country. National curriculum and textbook body started to distribute textbook free of cost since according to her instruction in the year of globalization. English is one of the most powerful tools for pursuing higher studying using technology, intercultural and interpersonal communication and job market at home and abroad. The curriculum and its explicit that language learning will be graded and content will reflect real life situation as the ultimate purpose of language learning is to communicate the English. For today, textbook have been developed to help students attain competency in all four language skills, i.e. listening developed in order to show it the learner is and cognitive level. The textbook has been revised and edited by prominent educationists to make it learner friendly and I thank sincerely all for They are intellectual labor who are involved in the process of revision, writing, editing, date, and design of the textbook.